हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं कि आप कैसे खुद की अपनी एक ब्रांड न्यू वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं, वो भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। आपको एक पैसा खर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आपको जो वेबसाइट होगी गाइस, उसमें आपको फ्री होस्टिंग होगी, फ्री डोमेन के साथ आप अपनी एक ब्रांड न्यू वेबसाइट बना पाओगे। और इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना गाइस, अगर आपको अपनी एक खुद की वेबसाइट बनानी है, वो भी फ्री में और एकदम अच्छे डिज़ाइन के साथ, बिना किसी कोडिंग, बिना किसी प्रोग्रामिंग के। सो गाइज, उससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो एज वेल। So let's start the video. So first of all guys, open the Chrome browser in your PC or in mobile and type pro host free in the search bar. Pro host free and just enter. When you enter guys, the first link appear on the listing. Just click on this first link and you can see the free unlimited web hosting with PHP and MySQL facility. So guys, now this is the free host official website. So if you are new on this website guys, you have to register. So just click on this register now option. So when you click on register now you need to register on this website using your email ID and the password. And once you're done with the registration guys, it will take you to this page. Now you need to create a new account on this free hosting. So you need to click on this create new account. So when you click on this button, the ad will appear. So let's just close this ad. And now guys, you have to create the domain name for your website that you are going to create. So just enter the domain name. So I'm writing my YouTube channel name, KaRam Tech. And let's see if it is available. So you can see the karamtech.anoxt.com is available. So guys, if you want to remove this, you have another option, ezviro.com. so you can choose either any option. So I'm choosing the Anox, which is quite good and it sounds good. And so you can also create your custom domain as well. So if you want to create a website, if you are a beginner, I will recommend you to start with anox.com. And let's choose the anox.com and click on this right button. So now our account has been created now. So now guys, you guys need to click on this manage to manage your website. Now it will take you to this page. Now guys, the control panel option will appear on the left side. Click on the control panel option and it will take you to this page, to the client area, and wait for 5 seconds. And now guys, it is an important notice, so you just need to approve this. So you need to click on this I approve button. The panel will load now. So that's how our panel look like. Now guys, you need to install a WordPress software that make your website building task very easy. So you will find the software section, and in the software section there is a app installer option. So you need to click on this option. Let's click on this. When you click on this, it will take you to the next page. And now where there is a WordPress option. So you can see that you just click on you just need to click on this install button. And now guys, you have to scroll down, and now you need to create a username and password for your website. So like you create a username and password for your social media, likewise you can create your username password here. So guys, let's do that. And once you're done with the username and password guys, scroll down and now click on this install button, and your WordPress installation will start. And as you can see that our WordPress has been installed. So our website link also has been created. So if you want to check your website, just click on this karamtech.anox.com. Yeah, you can click on this. So when you click on this, guys, you can see that our website has been created. Now we are going to design it without any coding and programming using WordPress. So let's do that. So to design your website, guys, you need to log into your website. So to log into your website, we have to go to our login page. So what you need to do, you have to enter the /wp minus admin after your website address. So just enter slash and wp minus admin and just enter. When you enter this, guys, it will take you to the login page of your WordPress. So just log in with the username and password that we have created in the WordPress. So let's do that. So guys, my typing is not that good, so please mind that. And you can also check the remember me, so you don't have to log in again and again. It will keep you login in this WordPress. So just click on this login button. Now guys, this is our dashboard look like. So now guys, you can also create your blog post here. Many options are available. You can also manage your widgets and manage the menus. Now guys, what we are going to do, there are many themes are available in the WordPress. You can choose to design your website. So to choose the theme, guys, you have to go to the appearance option on the left panel. Now select the theme, guys, from this list, and it will take you to this page. And now guys, select this add new theme, and now search for the Astra. So Astra have many themes that makes your website dynamic and have good design as well. So you can see now, guys, you have to select this Astra, and you can click on this install button to install this Astra. And once it is installed, guys, you have to activate it as well. And once we are done with the installation of Astra, so this is the page builder, and now guys, you have to select the Elementor from this these options. So and it will take you to this page, guys, and you can see that there are many themes now. So you can choose any of them and import any theme to your website, and which make your website more dynamic and brand new one. So I'm gonna choose any of them, so because I'm just giving you a tutorial, so I'm gonna choose any random one. So I'm gonna choose the first one, the wonderful gift outdoor adventure. So let's choose this one, and you can import the particular page as well, or you can import the complete site. So I'm going to import the complete site. So let's click on this import complete site, and now guys, you need to fill these boxes. So I'm a WordPress, just click on this WordPress. I'm a WordPress, so you need to select the beginner, and now you have to tell I'm building website for myself or my company, and now click on the next button. Now guys, you have to enter your first name and your active email address. In the second box, you have to enter your current and active email address to get the update from your website. And once you're done with, just submit and start importing. And when you click on this button, guys, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Now as you can see, successfully activated plugin eliminator. And guys, please make sure that do not close the browser window until the site is imported completely. So just wait for some time, and once it is done with the importing, now the view site option will appear on the bottom. Just click on this option, and let's see, our website has now the brand new theme. And you can see the theme has been imported to our website. So you can see now you can edit this content of your website. So to edit this content, you have to click on this edit with eliminator, and now click on this site setting. When you click on this, guys, now if you want to edit anything, just click on that. So suppose I just want to change the website title, so let's do that. Let's double click on it and type your web page name. So, and you can also change the slogan as well. Just double click on it, and so I'm just writing anything, please don't mind. And let's KaRam tag, who can fix anything. Now guys, once you're done with your changes, you can click on this update button on the left side bottom. On the left bottom you can see the update button in green color. Suppose if you want to change the image, so just click on the image, and on the left panel, guys, you will see the image. Now click on this choose image to replace the image, and you can select the image from your computer or your PC or from your mobile. So you can change any content from your website just clicking the same thing. So now guys, once you're done with it, just click on the update button, and just you can visit your website to see if the changes have been made or not. Suppose now if you want to change the header part, so if you want to remove this logo from the website, to do that, guys, you need to click on this customize button. So you need to click on this customize option. So when you click on this, guys, it will take you to this page. And when you take your cursor to the header, and the blue icons will be appear, and if you want to change anything, the blue icon will appear next to it. Just click on this edit option. So in the first instance, guys, I thought it was a text, but it is an image. So just remove that image from the left panel, and also you can replace it with your logo as well. So you need to click on this select image to change it, and once you're done with it, just click on this publish button, and let's see if our changes have been made or not. So as you can see that our logo of our theme has been changed or removed. So guys, now what can we do more with it? So now suppose if you want to change a new page, how can we do that? Just click on this new button and click on this page. When you click on this page option, guys, it will take you to the new page, and where you have to select next, and now we can create a page with the Elementor as well. So to create a page with Elementor, click on this edit with Elementor. Now it will take you to the Elementor dashboard. So Elementor makes our task very easy. So you just need to drag the heading, images, buttons, videos, and your task will be made. So what you need to do, let's add a heading to our page. So let's drag this heading text to our page. Yeah, Now guys, double click on it and just add your heading. So I'm creating a page for our service, and suppose if you want a template for your page, so you can click on this starter option, and now you can see that there are many page template as well, so you can choose any option. So suppose since I am creating a page for my service, so I'm gonna choose service page from it. Just select the page that you want to import and just click on the import template. And the template will be imported to your page in just few seconds. So as you can see, the template has been imported. So now guys, you can change anything from this page content. So suppose I just want to change it to our services. So just double click on it and just type it. And once you're done with your changes guys, you need to click on this publish button that is on the left bottom. So now you can check your website. Just click on this, have a look. It will take you to your website, and as you can see that our service page has been created. Now let's go back to our home page. So just click on home, and as you can see, our website is almost complete. You can change the content according to yourself. And now guys, and suppose guys, if you want to remove this annox from your domain name, how will you do that? So you have to purchase the domain name, and to purchase domain name I will recommend you to purchase domain from the GoDaddy website, because you can buy the domain as low as 400 per year. So at only 400 rupees you will get your domain. So it is a good deal guys. So you can search the domain in the search bar. So let's search our YouTube channel name. So let's search our YouTube channel name, KaRam Tech. So when you click on search guys, it will list all the option with the pricing as well. So guys, you can see the KaRam tax is available at 400 rupees. So there is KaRam tag available but with S, and if I want to purchase the KaRam tag, there is guys which is already taken, that I have to purchase around it at 7,400 rupees, which is quite high. So I can compromise with S. So I can choose the second one. So if your domain name is unique, then guys you will be able to purchase it at only 400 rupees, and which is a good deal. So if you want to purchase it guys, you need to click on this add to cart, and you can purchase your domain at only 400 rupees per year. So guys, that's how you can purchase. And once you purchase guys domain, you can transfer your website from this to your domain that you have purchased. So guys, that's how you can create your brand new website with free hosting and free domain name. So I hope you like it, I hope you understood, and thanks for watching. If you are new on channel guys, please subscribe to channel, and thanks for watching, and till then bye.